Begin with the countertops. Use a microfiber cloth and a mild detergent to wipe them down. For stubborn stains, a paste of baking soda and water works wonders. Next, tackle the appliances. A mixture of vinegar and water can clean your microwave, toaster, and coffee maker. And remember, a toothbrush becomes a mighty tool when it comes to cleaning those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. The key lies in dusting and vacuuming. Start from the top, dusting light fixtures and shelves, and work your way down. Don't forget the corners where cobwebs love to hide. Vacuum sofas and carpets thoroughly, and for a fresh scent, sprinkle a bit of baking soda on them before vacuuming. Bathrooms require a bit more elbow grease. Start by pouring vinegar into the toilet bowl and letting it sit. While it works its magic, clean the sink and shower with a scrub brush and a mixture of baking soda and dish soap. Return to the toilet, scrub, and flush. And voila, a sparkling clean bathroom. Begin by stripping the bed and washing all bedding. Dust all surfaces, and don't forget the often overlooked areas like ceiling fans and air vents. Vacuum the floor, and if you have wooden furniture, consider using a wood cleaner for that extra shine. Clean windows can brighten up a home like nothing else. Use a mixture of vinegar and water and wipe with a squeegee for a streak-free shine. In summary, cleaning everything in your house is a matter of breaking it down room by room, task by task. The kitchen requires attention to countertops and appliances. The living room benefits from dusting and vacuuming. The bathroom needs a good scrubbing. The bedroom calls for dusting and fresh bedding. And windows just need a bit of vinegar and a good wipe. Remember, the right tools and the right techniques can turn the daunting task of cleaning everything into a satisfying routine. With these steps, a cleaner, brighter, and fresher home is well within your reach. Happy cleaning!